The salt marsh and surrounding barrier islands host an incredible diversity of bird life in the Lowcountry. Here are just a few that you can potentially see on a trip with Barrier Island Eco Tours. Eastern brown pelicans are almost always around and can be observed diving from over 30 feet in the air, face first into fish. When they aren't fishing, they can be seen chilling on the oyster banks. While these living dinos are quite large, they are dwarfed by the American white pelicans that we see only for part of the year in the colder months. These animals boast up to a 9.5-foot wingspan. Roseate spoonbills technically are here year-round, but most of the population still migrates. A great time to spot these is during the summer and early fall. They are not to be confused with flamingos, which funny enough, we had a couple of flamingos show up a little over a year ago after they got pushed up from Florida by hurricanes. The all-white snowy egret is a residential wader that is seen on every excursion, along with the also quite popular tricolored heron. Great blue herons are probably the most iconic of the wading species due to their elegant appearance and large size. In the spring and summer, there's all kinds of babies around. Here's a couple juvenile yellow-crowned night herons that are just the cutest. Double-crested cormorants show up in great numbers in the winter and can be found floating in huge rafts of sometimes hundreds. The two most fearsome predators in the sky are the osprey and red-tailed hawk. Both of these raptors have mastered their hunting craft. The hawks are big-time bird and small mammal eaters, while ospreys have a taste for fish. Book a trip to have a chance to see all of these neat critters and more. Thank you so much for watching.